Before I show you this tool today, I want to tell you the rules of this series because they're not going to change from one video to the next. Rule number one, I only review tools that I own, that I paid for, that I use. Nothing that manufacturers send me, and certainly nothing that's trending on YouTube. Rule number two, my opinion is not for sale. It never has been. I have no affiliate links, no connections, and no agenda. Rule number three, these videos are going to be short, under 5 minutes. You've got a shop to get back to, and so do I. Rule number four, every video ends with a clear yes or no. No hedging, no it depends. And rule number five, if I think a tool's a waste of your time, I'm going to tell you straight up front. It's going to be plain and simple. You won't even have to watch the video. The verdict will be in every thumbnail, just like this one. So let's dig into it. This is the Harvey Alpha Series table saw. I've had this in the shop for about 4 years now. I went all in with Harvey, and I've got a verdict for you. It's a hard no. It's a thumbs down. I don't recommend Harvey saws to anybody that I know, and I wouldn't recommend a Harvey saw to you. And that's not me being a hater. I've been woodworking for 30 years, and I've watched tools evolve over the years. We're now living in the age of shiny tools that look amazing, but usually aren't. Harvey's a great example of this. This particular saw, and about 5 other models like it, have been discontinued, and they were discontinued not too long after Harvey released them. You don't build brand loyalty by abandoning customers who've spent thousands of dollars. Keep that in mind before you buy the very next Harvey saw. So why the hard no? Let's run it down really fast because there's a lot to dislike, and I've only got 5 minutes. Let's talk about the big one first, this fence. Arguably, a fence is the most important piece of equipment on a table saw. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it has to be tunable, and it has to stay in tune once you get it in tune. This fence, poorly designed, poorly manufactured, poorly fabricated from crappy materials. I couldn't tell you how much I hate this fence, and you'll see in just a minute. First problem is this fence rides on these ridiculously cheap plastic threaded inserts that come loose constantly. And they ride on painted surfaces at both ends of the fence. So as it slides back and forth, it digs a groove in the paint. These wear down, and you're frustrated because it takes 50 pounds of force to move a fence, and it shouldn't. I even installed my own stainless steel strip to try to get things to slide back and forth easier. None of that worked. Here's what worked. I threw the whole thing away, and I bought a fence from SawStop. 2 full turns on the adjustment screws, and it just fit. It has rubber wheels that ride on the cast iron surface, and these nylon guides ride on the stainless steel strip that I installed. When I told you I bought all of the accessories for this saw, I wasn't lying. I bought all the cast iron expansion surfaces. I even bought the router table with this crazy expensive fence system. The problem is when you want to use the router table, the overhead dust collection is in the way. Yeah, I know you could put it somewhere else. Yeah, I know you could cut holes in your saw and move this around. Trust me, I've been around woodworking tools for 30 years. I got all of that. This is just stupid design. This tells me that the people that design these table saws don't use them. Next, let's talk about shiny and useless. Harvey really loves to promote and praise this MG36P miter gauge. This is complete and utter garbage. It's made from a really soft aluminum, and the ball and detent system used for moving it around wears out almost instantly. You can't get an accurate read on it, and you'll need another high precision tool in order to set this for use on your table saw. More shiny and useless. These universal rollers, these wheels, the rubber on these wheels started drying and cracking within months of me owning it. So here's the wrap-up verdict on this. I'd love to sell this table saw and get it out of my shop. That's how unimpressed I am with this saw. But that would mean selling it to someone and transferring all of these useless features to someone else. And that's just not who I am. So I'm stuck with it. So there you go. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool in your shop do you regret buying the most. Till next time, friend. Peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.